Hello, my name is Krista Stanton. I am in your EDSE 619 class, and I will be doing my presentation on Amanda Kelly. She is a BCBAD and a licensed behavior analyst in the state of Hawaii. Dr. Amanda Kelly is a doctoral level board-certified behavior analyst who resides in Hawaii and is also known as Behavior Babe. According to her website, she has obtained her bachelor's degree in elementary education, her master's in behavioral education, and her doctorate in behavior analysis. Dr. Kelly has worked in a variety of settings that include public and private schools, in-home, residential placement, and community settings. She primarily works with children and adolescents who have social, emotional, cognitive, or behavioral needs. She is widely recognized for her dissemination and advocacy efforts, and in 2015 received the Jerry Shook Practitioner of the Year Award from the Berkshire Association of Behavior Analysis and Therapy. She's an active participant in various committees and has held a position on the board of numerous organizations. Most notably, Dr. Kelly is the legislative chair for the Hawaii Association for Behavior Analysis, or HABA. Dr. Kelly has been active in the field of ABA since 2005 and has been a major advocate for effective dissemination of the science of behavior analysis, and it aims to make research and information more easily available to the public, professional peers, and government officials. In the article Spreading the News, History, Successes, Challenges, and the Ethics of Effective Dissemination, the article highlights Dr. Kelly's website, Behavior Babe, as a successful online dissemination effort in the field of ABA. Her website has been successful because it is very user-friendly and makes information about the science easily accessible and digestible to those outside the field. Dr. Kelly was a contributing author in 4 peer-reviewed journal articles, as well as a contributing author and Dr. Kelly was a contributing author in 4 peer-reviewed journal articles, and she also serves as the legislative chair of the Hawaii Association for Behavior Analysis, where she helped to draft legislature concerning behavior analyst regulation and licensure. Her major articles concern her dissemination efforts, and she advocates for licensure of behavior analysts to help regulate the field. These dissemination efforts are important because ABA is an effective intervention for many other disorders. If I were given the chance to sit down and speak with Amanda Kelly, I would want to ask her who 2 of her biggest influences in her professional career as a BCBAD have been, and why they were such a big influence on her professional career. I would also want to ask her why she feels that making behavior analysis a licensed profession is important, and what needs to be done to make this a requirement across all 50 states and not just in Hawaii. Another question I would like to ask her is, in what way will the profession benefit from becoming licensed and regulated? In some of her peer-reviewed journal articles, she touched on it, but I would want to know some more in-depth information as to why the profession will benefit from this new licensure. I would also want to know what her thoughts are as far as any negative effects that licensing and regulating the profession would have, as well as how being licensed in the state of Hawaii has impacted her work. Amanda Kelly is important to the field of ABA because she's actively working to move the field forward. She provides research and information to the public, her professional peers, and government officials, as well as heavily influencing various legislature that is being passed in the state of Hawaii. She works to modify laws to allow individuals better access to behavior analytic services and offers numerous resources to professionals and parents. I myself have found her website to be an extremely valuable resource to me as a registered behavior technician, as well as working to get board certified. And she frequently posts up-to-date research on the advancements in the field of ABA. She overall has been a great individual to research. I find that her dissemination efforts have been impactful to the field and has helped to move the field forward and helped to dispel a lot of the myths and misconceptions that people may have about behavior analysis. Based on the research I conducted for this assignment, I have gained a better understanding of why effective dissemination of behavior analytic principles and research is important. There are so many misconceptions about the field of applied behavior analysis and the science behind what we do. This research has highlighted many areas that I hope to continue learning about and implementing in my own career. And here are my citations. I hope that y'all have enjoyed learning more about Dr. Amanda Kelly. I know that I have, and I highly encourage anyone looking to move forward in the field of ABA as a BCBA, which I know we all are in this master's program to do. I highly implore you to check out her website, Behavior Babe. It's got a lot of really awesome resources. Thanks for watching.